डज दिस हैपन्स विद यू? जब आप पढ़ने बैठते हो अपनी बुक्स के साथ, आप लेक्चर ऑन करते हो, रिवीजन शुरू करते हो, बट आपका माइंड आपके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करता, यू कीप चेकिंग योर फोन, जैसे कोई साउंड आती है नोटिफिकेशन की, यू चेक दैट नोटिफिकेशन, कोई थॉट दिमाग में आ जाता है, कोई नेगेटिव थॉट दिमाग में आ जाता है, देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट थॉट, यू ट्राई टू फोकस बट आपका ध्यान इधर उधर भागता रहता है, यू मैनेज टू सिट फॉर 3-4 आवर्स, आप 3-4 घंटे पढ़ते हो बट उतना आउटपुट नहीं निकलता, उतनी प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं हो पाती, यू फील दैट यू आर बिजी बट यू डोंट फील दैट मच प्रोडक्टिव, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि मेरा फोकस उतना अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा कंसंट्रेशन उतना अच्छा नहीं है, I'm not that intelligent. My focus is weak. But let me tell you honestly, problem focus का या concentration का नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम है कि हमने अपने माइंड को कभी भी डीप वर्क के लिए ट्रेन ही नहीं किया, हमने कभी भी अपने माइंड को समझाया ही नहीं what is deep focus. And now if you want to train your mind for deep focus, if you want to study in such a way that in less time your output is more, then just listen to this. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your mind. Stay in silence for a few seconds and let the music work on you. For the next few minutes, you don't have to force anything. You don't have to fight with your thoughts. You just have to listen and allow your mind to understand how it feels to work deeply. I do deep work. Yes, I do deep work. When I sit to study, I don't just sit with my books. I sit with my full presence. I bring my mind back. I bring my attention back. I bring my energy back to one task at a time. I do deep work because I know studying for long hours is not enough. What matters is how deeply I study, how fully I focus, how completely I involve myself in what I am doing. Deep work means for a fixed period of time, I give my full attention to one important task without distraction, without multitasking, without constantly checking my phone, without jumping from one thing to another. Deep work means when I am studying one topic, I am only with that topic. When I am solving one question, I am only with that question. When I am revising one concept, I am only with that concept. I don't divide my attention. I collect my attention. I don't scatter my energy. I channel my energy. Because I know a scattered mind creates average output, but a focused mind creates powerful results. Because I know deep work doesn't mean I have to study 10 to 12 hours without break. Deep work doesn't mean I should never get distracted. Deep work does not mean my mind should be silent all the time. Deep work does not mean I have to force myself painfully. Deep work simply means whenever distraction comes, I notice it and gently bring my focus back. फोकस का मतलब ये नहीं है कि डिस्ट्रैक्शन कभी भी नहीं आना चाहिए. फोकस का मतलब है डिस्ट्रैक्शन के बाद अपने आप को वापस लेके आना. डीप वर्क सिर्फ इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट नहीं करते. डीप वर्क प्रैक्टिस से आता है. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड. फोकस मूड से नहीं आता. फोकस, एनवायरनमेंट, इंटेंशन एंड रिपीटेड प्रैक्टिस से आता है। आई बिल्ड डीप वर्क step by step. I don't expect my mind to become focused in one day. I train my mind daily. Before starting, I decide clearly, what am I studying? Why am I studying this? For how much time will I study? And what is my one task right now? Then I remove my distraction. I keep my phone away. I keep only the required books in front of me. I create a clean space because a clean space helps create a clear mind. Then I start small, maybe 25 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, maybe 60 minutes. But during that time, I give myself fully to one task. And whenever my mind wanders, I don't judge myself. I don't say मेरा focus weak है. I simply say come back. I come back again and again. This is how I build my deep work. The most powerful Indian story for deep work is Arjuna seeing only the bird's eye. When Guru Dronacharya asked his students to aim at the bird, he asked them what they could see. Someone said, I can see the tree. Someone said, I can see the branch. Someone said, I can see the bird. But Arjun said, I can see only the eye of the bird. And this is what deep work is. Same way, when I study, if my mind sees phone, messages, fear, comparison, pending syllabus, and random thoughts, my focus becomes scattered. But when my mind sees only one topic, one concept, one question at a time, this is deep work. Deep work का मतलब है जब मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ तो मेरे माइंड को सिर्फ वही दिखना चाहिए जो मेरे सामने है. So now, when my phone distracts me, I don't say मैं weak हूँ. I remind myself, my mind is trained by repetition and I can train it again and again. Whenever I feel bored while studying, I don't run away. I remind myself, boredom is not a signal to quit. It is the entry gate of deep work. When I don't understand a topic immediately, I remind myself, deep understanding takes time and I am willing to stay. When my mind wants quick dopamine, phone, reels, messages, I pause and remind myself, short distractions give temporary relief. Deep work gives long-term confidence. When I study for less time, but with full focus, I don't feel guilty. I remind myself, 1 hour of deep work can be more powerful than 3 hours of distracted study. So from now on, I am not a distracted student. I am a focused student. I am not someone who studies with half attention. I am someone who brings full presence to my work. I do deep work. I study with focus. I train my attention. I protect my energy. I respect my study time. Even when distraction come, I come back. Even when my mind wanders, I come back. Even when my focus break, I come back. Because this is who I am. I am a deep work student. I study deeply. I focus fully. I create powerful outputs. So from now on, whenever I sit to study, I remind myself, one task, one time, full focus. From now on, whenever my minds get distracted, I don't judge myself. I simply remind myself, come back, and I come back. From now on, whenever I feel like checking my phone, I remind myself, this distraction can wait, but my future cannot. From now on, whenever I feel bored, I will remind myself, this is where deep work begins. From now on, whenever I feel like multitasking, I remind myself, my power increases when my attention becomes one-pointed. Because I know deep work is not built in one day. Deep work is built one focused session at a time. And every time I come back, my focus becomes stronger. Every time I complete one deep work session, my confidence becomes stronger. Every time I protect my attention, my future becomes stronger. So now repeat after me. I do deep work. Come on, repeat one more time with me. I do deep work. Come on, one more time. I do deep work. Now say, one task, one time, full focus. Again, one more time. One task, one time, full focus. How are you feeling? Feeling focused? If yes, type in the comment, I do deep work. And now go back to your studies and study with full focus. एक सब्जेक्ट, एक टॉपिक, फिक्स्ड आवर्स. नो फोन चेकिंग. फोन को अपनी आंखों से दूर रख दो. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स हैं आपकी टेबल पे, उन्हें साइड कर दो. जितनी बुक से पढ़ना है, जो जो चीजें आपको चाहिए पढ़ने के लिए, सिर्फ वही आपकी टेबल पे होना चाहिए. फोन को साइलेंट कर दो एंड डिसाइड द टाइम. 20 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 40 मिनट, जितने भी मिनट पढ़ना है उतने मिनट. ना फोन चेक करना है, ना यूट्यूब चेक करना है, ना रील्स चेक करनी है. और जो टॉपिक डिसाइड किया है बस उसी को अच्छे से पढ़ना है. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.